Welcome back. As a part of this video, we will look at data integrity testing. How AI can complement the rule-based automation of data integrity testing. Data integrity testing asks, are the relationships between the data valid? Here we are validating the primary keys, foreign keys, uniqueness, referential integrity, and mandatory relationships. For example, every order should have a valid customer ID. There should not be any duplicate primary keys. A child record should not point to a parent record that is not there in the database. So this is about the structural correctness. How do we validate this manually? By writing the SQL query to find the duplicates, missing keys, invalid references, and also if there are any orphan records. We usually do this after data is loaded as a post-load validation. So how do we approach the automation? Here, according to us, rule-based automation is a strong contender, or it's an excellent fit, because all these integrity checks like primary key, foreign key, these are perfect examples of where rules should remain the foundation. A foreign key is either valid or not. A primary key is either duplicated or not. There is very little ambiguity here. So already existing database constraints, SQL checks, and preloaded validations can enforce these conditions reliably and explain exactly why something has passed or failed. So while the rule-based automation is an excellent fit, how does AI can help? So after the checks are done, AI can add a value. For example, if one source system repeatedly produces orphan records, AI may cluster those failures and help identify if there is any recurring pattern. But remember, AI should not replace the integrity rule itself. Integrity rule is in a way inbuilt in the database constraints. So the final take on this is, it is primarily rule based, but AI can act as a diagnostic support, not the detection mechanism on its own. So integrity testing is about making sure the relationships within our data are valid. Next, we'll move from relationships to the logic that transforms our data, that is data transformation testing.
That's all for now. Like and subscribe and turn on notifications for future videos. Thank you.